Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz.
I'm attorney Rob Collins.
Today we're going to ask Rob, who's graciously agreed to come do a video with us. Today we're going to ask Rob to answer a question about dog bite personal injury cases. In our law firm, Schwartz & Schwartz, we handle a pretty good volume of dog bite or dog knockdown type personal injury cases, and Rob handles probably more dog bite, dog knockdown, personal injury cases than any other attorney in the firm. He is the leading attorney in our group of trial lawyers who deals with dog bite and dog knockdown personal injury cases. So today we're going to answer a question. The question is this: if I'm working and I'm bitten by a dog, is that a workers' compensation case? Is that a dog bite case against the owner of the dog? What is that? And to give an example, let's say that the person asking the question is delivering packages for UPS, goes up to the front door of someone's home, rings the doorbell to hand the package to the resident, and the dog accidentally is permitted to come out of the house, runs at the UPS delivery guy and bites him right on the leg. Is that a dog bite case against the dog owner, or should that guy make a workers' compensation claim? What's the difference, and what do we have here?
Well, that is a surprisingly common situation. The situation you just gave, whether it's FedEx, UPS, food delivery, it's really common for the dog to get out and bite somebody while they're on the job. As long as the bite occurred while the employee was in the course and scope of employment, it's going to be a workers' comp case. And that will cover the lost wages, medical bills, potentially for the scarring as well. But it's also a claim against the owner of the dog under the Delaware dog bite statute. That would basically be strict liability against the dog's owner. And if there was somebody else other than the owner who was taking care of the dog at that time, a dog walker, somebody who's watching the dog for the owner, there's also a potential negligence claim against that person as well. So it's actually at least a workers' comp and dog bite statute claim, and potentially more.
Okay, so the answer is it's both.
Right.
And under the law, you can have more than one claim arising out of some event or some accident or some injury.
But those situations tend to get more complicated legally than just your straight dog bite case. So that's the type of situation where the average person probably would need an attorney to work out who gets paid and why, who gets repaid, that type of thing.
Right. It's complicated when it comes to coordinating benefits and coordinating the claims. And so I guess I should mention that not only the average person, but the average lawyer too. You know, if you're an attorney and let's say you're an attorney, you're practicing law, you do a general practice, you do some personal injury work, you're probably not going to see 100 dog bite injury cases a year. You're probably not going to see dozens of dog bite injury cases where the person is on the job, and you're probably not going to be coordinating benefits between workers' comp and liability or homeowners liability insurance claims, or litigating these cases. And so if you're an attorney and you've got one of these cases and you have questions, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Rob Collins, he's rob.collins@schwartzandschwartz.com. And if you have a question about this type of case, or if you have a question about personal injury litigation in Delaware or in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States in general, feel free to send me an email. We can see what we can do to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks, Rob. Appreciate you doing this video with me.